What is this in Dutch? And what about this? And I guess this is something that can make you happy. Well, stay tuned to find out now. My name is Bart de Pau. This is 1000 Most Common Words in Dutch, the course in basic Dutch vocabulary with exercises on learndutch.org. 40 lessons, in each lesson 25 of the most frequently used Dutch words. This is lesson 33 about the most common tools and materials. Het gereedschap. Het gereedschap. And when we talk about one, we say het instrument. Het instrument. And it can have two meanings, a tool or a musical instrument. De schaar. De schaar. Please note, this word in Dutch is singular. And what you do with a schaar is knippen. Knippen. And what you do with een mes, a knife, remember that from lesson 30, is snijden. Snijden. De machine. De machine. De rekenmachine. De rekenmachine. De computer. De computer. And the best thing to do on a computer? Het slot. Het slot. De sleutel. De sleutel. The most common sentence with that word: ik ben mijn sleutel kwijt. Ik ben mijn sleutel kwijt. Now that is a difficult construction. Iets kwijt zijn means to have lost something. But please note, the person who lost it is related to the verb zijn. And the thing you've lost is the object. So, ik ben mijn sleutel kwijt. Zij is haar sleutel kwijt. And what makes it extra difficult, mijn and haar are possessive adjectives related to the person who owns the key. More about that in lesson 18 of #Dutch Grammar. Openen. Openen. And openen is the opposite of sluiten. Sluiten. De telefoon. De telefoon. Het mobieltje. Het mobieltje. Het potlood. Het potlood. De pen. De pen. And we continue now with materials. After potlood and pen, that can only be het papier. Het papier. De olie. De olie. De benzine. De benzine. De brandstof. De brandstof. Het zilver. Het zilver. But of course, I prefer het goud. Het goud. The pronunciation and listening well is very important, because it should not be confused with something of a much lower value. Het hout. Het hout. Goud. Hout. Goud. Hout. So, to all who are complaining about this terrible sound, think how much you can lose when you pronounce it wrong. By the way, it only concerns the first letter. The last letter in both words is pronounced as T. so don't worry if you don't hear a difference there. De plank, de plank. De lucht, de lucht. And fresh air is frisse lucht, frisse lucht. Het ijzer, het ijzer. Het staal, het staal. De steen, de steen. De baksteen, de baksteen. Het stof, het stof. And stof has two meanings. With the article het, it means dust. But with the article de, it means the material. De stof, de stof. Here you see Mendeleev's periodic table, containing all atoms, the building elements of all possible materials. Now, the word stof we also use when we talk about textile. De stof. De aarde. De aarde. Like in English, it can be soil or the world. Another word for world is de wereld. De wereld. And another word for soil is de grond. De grond. That can also mean the ground. How difficult can it be to learn Dutch if you speak English? So many words look the same. You learned 25 new ones today. If you liked the lesson, click the thumbs up button and share it on social media. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for weekly videos to learn Dutch. See you next lesson. Tot ziens. Tot les 34. Tot les 34.